Hey Melons, welcome back to my channel for yet another video, and today I have an exciting launch again here with me, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. So you guys know that I've been obsessed and I've always loved my L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. You guys know I've always talked about it in my stories as well. So we have an addition to that range, which I'm so excited to share and talk to you guys about. Is the new L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream, which I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So basically, let's just talk about what ingredients that is have. So the main ingredient that is in this L'Oréal Paris Crystal Gel Cream is the salicylic acid. So you guys know specifically for oily to combination skin, salicylic acid works really well. Specifically because I have acne scars, acne skin. Salicylic acid is very good for this. So basically what it does, it's basically like an ingredient, an active that you can say. So what it does is that it gently exfoliates the top layer of the skin. It minimizes the pores, it purifies the pores, it deep cleanses the skin from within, so that what it basically helps your skin to, any product that you apply on top of it, to penetrate into the skin, into the layer of the skin very easily. And it also helps to unclog pores, and also it helps to reduce sebum, the oil control. That's perfect specifically for oily and acne prone skin like mine. So I'm so excited to add it in my routine. I've actually used it a couple of times so that I can just see the results of it, and it actually helps the skin layer to glide on smoothly. Any makeup that you apply on top of it also, it just helps your skin to breathe a little bit more. And also, it's so amazing that something that has a salicylic acid in it, in a cream base, is something that's newly launched in India. I haven't seen anything, I haven't heard. I don't think there's any launches that has happened like this, which makes it so special for L'Oréal Paris, for us as well. So let's get on with the demo. So I just wanted to say this, that the combo of these two together worked really well. Plus these are paraben free, which you guys know I always make sure that I talk about this in my skincare routine or my makeup routine. I absolutely adore by that fact. So this is paraben free, it's colorant free, does not have any color to it as well, and plus it's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores. So it's perfect to unclog pores and for excess sebum. It will work perfectly well. Talking about the sizes of this, so it comes in basically two different sizes. So one we have is 15 ml and the other one we have is a 50 ml. So 15 ml costs for $2.99. If you want to give it a shot, if you want to just try it, or if you're traveling with it, it's perfect. Then we have is this bottle, which is the 50 ml bottle. This basically costs for $6.99, which is perfect for the kind of a texture that it comes with. So it's like a gel sort of a consistency like this, if you can see. So this is what the consistency looks like. And if you just take it up a little bit and just see, so it provides really good hydration to the skin, and a little quantity of it goes a long way. The fragrance so good, so soothing. So it just goes into the layer of the skin really well, and it just gives you the hydration that you need. Below, so you guys can go and check it out, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll be more than happy to share more reviews for you guys, and yes, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll have all my social media links in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out and come and say hi. And yes, so the link of these products also will be in the description box, so you guys can go check it out. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay confident, keep missing me, keep loving me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.